Guys, how you doing? I don't drink often, but yesterday we went to London, had a few drinks, now I've got a bit of a hangover. So this edit might be a little bit lame, but that's all I've got for you. Hope you enjoy it anyway. We're in London, we're in Camden Town. He's drunk. He's hammered. These guys are kind of alright at the moment. By the way, on YouTube, people slide down these things. I'll give you 100 quid if you do it. Someone has done it. There's a video on YouTube where someone hit that. We're in London. We got the Camden docks. What we done? We replaced this guy's drink with water.
And he was happy.
And he was happy. He didn't even notice. So what that proves is it's placebo. Look at these zombies, look. Oh, back in the shop.
In my gangster sweats.
Hey, join the club. So what's the damage?
Well, Maxine decided to her leg off, excuse my French.
And there's more damage. It's got a mate for Benjamin.
Yeah. Oh my God.
And then over here, I've knackered this thing off on the E-Revo, but I've got some spares. Crashes on patch channel.
I've never done this before.
Come on, lads, stop messing around.
I've never done it before, Kev.
So over here, this should be an easier fix. I don't know where all this mud came from. It literally just fell in the tiniest little puddles, and it's plastered. So I might have to get the pat pump out in a minute.
Hey, pump it.
Pump it, pump it. This is the one that I've broken, and this is the one out of the earlier E-Revo, and I don't think it's going to be as strong somehow, but that's all I got, so that's what's going on. The old trenchers, here we go, backflip. Oh, check it out. It's not going up on two wheels though. I can't get it to quick roll, look. It's taking the bend, it's not rolling over. Oh, here it is. Yes. Richard, go and get the ramp. Hey, what are you doing?
Sword fight.
Yeah. Enough. Someone said, is it possible to do like a spiral? Not do a 360 in the air, but like a roll. Yeah. Oh, what? I just went over it. No, it doesn't work. So turn the gyro off. Alright, gyro off now. Oh, I missed anyway. That's 50 mile an hour, but if you change the gearing, you can make it do 70. It's enough, isn't it? Loves it, doesn't it?
Do that. It's so light, it always looks at
She put it away before it gets destroyed.
Yeah. What the way it just flipping hits some curve. Full blank curve, it's just like whatever.
Alright, game over. You can do an indoor standing backflip.
Yeah, took it away.
Alright guys, so I know that wasn't the best video ever, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. So alright guys, hope you did like this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. I'm going back to bed. See you later guys, bye.